deploying a server on Utho Cloud using a private key, log into Utho Cloud console. First, log into your Utho Cloud account using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard where you will manage your cloud resources. Note, the private key is crucial for securely accessing your server without needing a password. Find Cloud Instances under Compute section, or click the Deploy Now button. After click on Deploy Now, here you can create resource like Cloud Instances, Kubernetes, VPN, VPC, Database, Object Storage and Stacks, etc. Next, click the Deploy New, and then click Cloud Instances button to start creating a new instance. Choose Configuration Settings. Select Data Center Location. Choose the data center location for your server, based on your needs to ensure optimal performance and latency. This is important for reducing latency and improving your server's overall speed and response time. Select Operating System. Choose Centos and select version, for example, 7.9. Select Billing Cycle. Choose your billing cycle, such as hourly, monthly, or annually. Select Plan Type. Choose the appropriate plan type based on your needs. The plan type determines the resources allocated to your server, so select one that aligns with your performance. Configure authentication. Choose SSH keys for SSH-based login. And you will see a new drop-down box. Select the private key accordingly. Select VPC Network. Choose the Virtual Private Cloud, VPC, where your server will reside. This allows you to define the network environment for your server. Security group here, firewall option is optional. Select CPU model. Choose between AMD or Intel processors depending on your performance needs. AMD offers cost-effective performance, while Intel is ideal for high-demand tasks. Set hostname and label. Set a hostname for your instance, such as My Private Key Server. You can add a label to help organize your instances and make it easier to manage them later. This is especially useful if you have multiple servers running. For Deploy the instance, after configuring all settings, click the Deploy Now button to initiate the creation of your Ubuntu 22.04 instance. Wait for about 5 to 7 minutes for the server to be deployed. Utho Cloud will notify you once the deployment is complete. After clicking Deploy, please wait for about 5-7 minutes and then refresh the page. Once the deployment is complete, the server performance graphs will begin to appear. And that's it! You've successfully deployed your Centos 7.9 Utho Cloud using an SSH key for login to your server. Use your preferred client, any suitable agent, to access your server using the private key for secure login. Thanks for watching.